Moingwa or Abbey Heather. I'm from Fiafia, and I'm your local Samoan artist. Started doing music in 2020. It's been rough. It's okay. Ikaw ngay challenges so ingay getting to write songs. Also, you come off of ingay kaya ka busy. The challenge of trying to make music on time, moving out. Sometimes for the scheme. Come to think about it, so we have to utilize it. I think it's such a good event. When I first knew about it, I was automatically happy to join because it's part of us, who we are, especially in Samoa. We are the local artists here in Samoa. Just to rise up and challenges, really trying to get our music out there. And I think this event is a good exposure as well for us. And also which is, even though a little less exposure, but produce music in Samoa, and there are so many talented artists here in Samoa that people don't know. Come see your girl Abbey at the Fiafia Breakfast 2025 on December 12th. See you there.